bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Food secrets to lose weight faster. What we want to do in only to lose weight and keep it off in the future. We search the internet for different secrets, tricks, and professional advice for specialists. As a result, you are often forced in strict diets, keeping up your favorite food, hiding up portion sizes, even starving from time to time. It doesn't sound too motivating, does it? But it doesn't have to be so good anymore. Do you want to know the way out? Having lose weight and not to damage your emotional state in the same time? Beauty Madness has several foods which can come handy and replace unhealthy snacks. Stay with us and give us a thumbs up. Number 1. Gingerbread instead of chocolate. Gingerbread is actually healthy. Gingerbread is a much vitamins. See your soul. 535 kcal for small 3 pieces of chocolate to 230 kcal for the same amount of gingerbread. It can help you if you have a stomachache. Number 2. Sorbets instead of ice cream. Ice cream pieces that you love it so much is very high fat. But there is even better options. We are talking about sorbets. They as well as fruit ice pops. All we know that it's different from ice cream, but they taste just as good. There is some benefits of choosing sorbets. They contain no fat and almost twice your calories. 137 kcal in a strip of sorbet, but 227 kcal in a strip of ice cream. Fruit sorbets contain vitamin C. Number 3. Tuna in its own juice instead of tuna in oil. We know that tuna is a healthy fish. Tuna in its own juice contains much less fat and many more vitamins. Vitamin A, B12, D, E, amino acids, and healthy substances. Iodide, potassium, iron, and phosphorus. Tuna in its own juice is 96 kcal, but tuna in oil 190 kcal. Number 4. Popcorn instead of trail mix. But it seems crazy, right? But it's better to have a little bit of popcorn instead of a little bit of trail mix. If you buy this mix from the store, there might be too many salt in nuts, sugar in fruits, and even chocolate in packages. So, because of its very fatty dessert, as your popcorn. Popcorn is 375 kcal, but trail mix is 607 kcal. Here our video ends for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you like this video, don't forget to press like, share and comment. If this is your first time watching my videos, subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.